Good morning friends, I am Himanshu Agrawal with my friends Vivek Patel and Prakash Ushpatama demonstrating our project timer circuit using NE555 timer IC. Then you can see right here. I am setting the time to 2 minutes and triggering the switch. By the meantime I am starting the stopwatch. You can see that here the load is amplifier which is a guitar amplifier or musical instrument amplifier as a load, connected as a load. By the meantime I will be explaining the circuit, how it is connected across, and you can see that the circuit contains basically two LEDs to indicate. The red LED indicates the power is given to the circuit for the internal work, and the green LED is used to indicate the power is given to the load, which is here amplifier. You can see that the power is indicated by its switch, which is glowing red. And you can see that the time is controlled using a six-step switch. The input to the circuit is 230 volts 50 hertz supply, which is household, and you can see that the circuit in the circuit the power is given is transformed using the 12 volt transformer, bridge rectifier, and a IC7812 to 12 volts 1 ampere supply, and the output is to the load is switched by a relay, in which input is given is 12 volt and the output given is same as that of input, which is 230 volts 50 hertz supply. Here the load is amplifier. You can see that the time has almost passed approximately the time left is 45 seconds, and you will notice that it will automatically turn off after a while. The circuit basically works on the principle of the time of charging of capacitor, which is equal to 1.1 times of log of product of resistance, the value of resistance, and the value of capacitance, which is equal to 1.1 of log of RC. Here we will notice that after 5 seconds the green LED will be turned off, as well as the red LED at this also be turned off, and you will just wait. Here you can see that the green LED is turned off, which indicates the power to the load is turned off at the time of 2 minutes 2 seconds, and the power to the load is turned off. And this is how a timer circuit works. Thank you for watching and have a good day.